Amerisuf Mortgage Review 2024 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. Most people get mortgage shopping wrong by assuming all lenders are the same. Amerisuf in 2024 offers a digital-first experience with competitive rates, online applications, and personalized support, but is it right for you? Amerisuf provides streamlined pre-approval, fast rate comparisons, and a variety of loan options, including fixed rate and adjustable mortgages. The surprising truth is speed. You won't believe what happens next when you realize the entire application can be managed online, reducing paperwork and waiting times significantly. Another advantage is transparency. Amerisuf shows rate options, fees, and closing costs upfront, helping borrowers make informed decisions. Their online calculators allow you to estimate monthly payments accurately, while dedicated loan officers assist virtually, guiding you through complex processes. However, cons exist. Customer support is primarily virtual, which may not suit those preferring in-person guidance. Some borrowers report delays during high-demand periods, and certain specialized loan products may not be available through Amerisuf. In conclusion, Amerisuf is ideal for tech-savvy borrowers in 2024 seeking a fast, convenient and transparent mortgage experience. It delivers competitive rates and online efficiency without sacrificing professional support. While it may not replace traditional lenders for complex cases, it's a strong option for straightforward home financing.